in sum number 8, the area between x is equal to y square and x is equal to 4 is divided into two equal parts by the line x is equal to a. Find the value of a. So here in this question there is a parabola. In this parabola a line is there. That line is divided by another line called x is equal to a into two equal parts. We have to find the value of a. So this is the question. So solution. So given x is equal to y square. X is equal to y square in the sense that it is of the form y square equal to 4ax. Isn't it? The parabola resembles y square is equal to 4ax. So let me draw the diagram. So the parabola is y square equal to x. This is the parabola. And the line x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4. Let me name here. So x is equal to 4. This is the line. Okay. The line is x is equal to 4. The x value is 4. Here it will be 4. So that when I had drawn a line x is equal to 4. And x is equal to a. So let me name x is equal to a. X is equal to a. So we have to find the area of this shaded region. Let me name this to be as O. So O is nothing but origin 0, 0. So here A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So here the area of this region OAB. Okay. This one, let me name this to be as F. Okay. So area of OAF. This part is equal to area of this part. Okay. Area of this part is equal to area of this part. Because in the question it is given the line is cutted by two equal parts. So area of OAF is equal to area of AFED. So now consider area of OAF. So area of OAF is equal to integral. So here what will be the limit? Limit is from 0 to a. Okay. So from 0 to a. So 0 to a. OAF is nothing but y. So what is y? Y dx. So this is equal to integral 0 to a root x dx. And here the other area of AFED is equal to integral from here to here. So from a to 4. This is a and this is 4. So a to 4 y dx. So what is y? Y is nothing but root x dx. So this both areas are equal, so I can equate it directly. Now when I start equating, 0 to a root x dx is equal to 0 a to 4 root x. Let me write. Since both areas are equal, so 0 to a root x dx is equal to a to 4 root x dx. So what is the integral of root x? What is the integral of root x? Integral of root x is x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Limit is 0 to a equal to x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Limit is a to 4. So this implies 2 by 3 upper limit a to the power 3 by 2 minus lower limit is 0 equal to 2 by 3 upper limit 4 to the power 3 by 2 minus lower limit a to the power 3 by 2. So this implies 2 by 3 gets cancelled and we have a to the power 3 by 2 equal to 4, we can write it as 2 square the whole power 3 by 2 minus a to the power 3 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled and minus a to the power 3 by 2 when it comes here it becomes positive. So a power 3 by 2 plus a power 3 by 2 equal to 2 cube. So 2 times of a to the power 3 by 2 is equal to 2 cube value is 8. Now we have 2a. So we have 2a, a to the power 3 by 2 is equal to 8. Okay. A plus a is 2a. So 2a to the power 3 by 2 is equal to 2 cube, that is 8. So this implies a power 3 by 2 is equal to 4. That is, this 2 when it comes here, it becomes 8 divided by 2. So it will be 4. So rising to the power 2 by 3. In order to cancel 3 by 2, rising to the power 2 by 3, we get a to the power 1. That is, the whole power 2 by 3 equal to 4 to the power 2 by 3. So the value of a is equal to 4 to the power 2 by 3. A is 4 to the power 2 by 3 is the answer.